Launch excellence in medical affairs refers to the strategic and operational process of introducing a new pharmaceutical product or medical solution to the market with optimal impact and efficiency. It encompasses a series of meticulously planned and executed activities aiming at ensuring that the product not only reaches the healthcare providers and patients but also delivers its intended value effectively. This involves understanding the therapeutic landscape, identifying unmet medical needs, engaging with key stakeholders, and disseminating scientific and clinical information that supports the product's value proposition. So, why this is important? Multiple reasons, starting with the patient impact. Maximizing patient impact lies at the heart of the launch excellence. This pivotal concept is centered on ensuring that beneficial medical innovations are effectively delivered to the patients who need them most. As medical affairs professionals working in the industry are able to bridge the gap between the clinical development and patient access, because of this, they play a pivotal role in ensuring that the new therapies and innovations not only will reach the market but also will significantly improve the health outcomes. And in the competitive pharmaceutical landscape, the manner in which a product is introduced can greatly influence its market position. Launch excellence is instrumental in ensuring that a product is strategically positioned. It takes into account the competitive environment, the market dynamics, and the stakeholder expectations, including the patients, thereby maximizing the potential value of the product and the impact on patients. We can add to this building credibility and trust, which is another cornerstone for launch excellence. Medical affairs is entrusted with the crucial task of disseminating accurate, balanced, and scientifically rigorous information. A successful launch not only elevates the product but also builds the pharmaceutical company's credibility among healthcare professionals, payers, and patients. And this establishment of trust is vital for the organization's long term success and reputation in the industry. Navigating the complex regulatory environment is another integral part of the launch excellence. Ensuring compliance and effectively managing the risks associated with any new product introduction to the market are paramount. Adhering to legal and ethical standards protects the company's reputation and ensures that all launch activities are conducted above board. The aspect of launch excellence is critical in safeguarding the company's integrity and safety of patients. Moreover, a well-executed launch strategy goes beyond only the introduction of the product. It encompasses a focus on market access and reimbursement. Medical affairs teams are instrumental in demonstrating the economic value of the product to payers and to health systems. These efforts facilitate broader access by ensuring that patients can afford the treatment and so enhancing the product's reach and impact. Finally, launch excellence is about setting the stage for sustainable growth, continuous improvement, and the life cycle management of the product. It's not just about the initial introduction to the market, but also about laying a strong foundation of future expansions, indications, and enhancements. A product's journey doesn't end at the product launch. It evolves, and with effective launch strategies, companies can ensure that this evolution is marked by success and sustained growth. Launch excellence in medical affairs is a critical determinant of a pharmaceutical product's success and its ability to improve patient outcomes. It requires cross-functional approach involving collaboration between clinical development, commercial teams, regulatory affairs, and most importantly, medical affairs. Medical affairs professionals who understand the science, the market, and the patient needs. As the pharmaceutical industry continues to evolve, the role of medical affairs in driving launch excellence will only become more pivotal, and this underscores the need for strategic planning, execution, and continuous learning for medical affairs. Let's now have an overview of the role of medical affairs in the successful launch of a pharmaceutical product. The successful launch of a pharmaceutical product is a complex and multifaceted process, necessitating coordinated efforts from various departments within the industry. Among these, medical affairs. Medical affairs plays a pivotal role, positioned uniquely at the crossroads of clinical development, regulatory compliance, and market access, and also commercial strategy. The contribution of medical affairs is vital for the successful introduction and sustained impact of the product in the market. Medical affairs teams engage in strategic planning and insight gathering, where they gather and analyze critical data on disease epidemiology, treatment landscapes, unmet medical needs, and competitor analysis as well. This information is foundational for the strategic planning and effective market positioning of the product. They also undertake stakeholder mapping, identifying key players like physicians, payers, patient advocacy groups, and regulatory bodies, and devise tailored engagement strategies for each of these groups. And in the evolution of the scientific information and education, medical affairs teams are tasked with the fact or the mission of disseminating clinical trial results and scientific data to healthcare professionals through various channels. And this role is crucial in building awareness and understanding the product within the medical community. They also provide ongoing education to healthcare professionals about the product, ensuring that its use is effective and patients will receive the optimal care. Engaging with key opinion leaders is another critical function. Medical affairs establishes and maintains partnerships and relationships with the experts to gain insights, gather feedback, and foster advocacy. Advisory boards with key opinion leaders are organized to understand the clinical practice gaps and obtain insights about the barriers to any therapeutic methodology adoption. Supporting clinical development is also a key area where medical affairs contributes to the trial design implementation, ensuring trials address relevant clinical questions. They are involved in generating real-world evidence to support the product's value proposition beyond the clinical trials as well. In terms of regulatory and reimbursement support, medical affairs teams often include health economics and outcome research (HEOR) professionals who demonstrate the product's economic value, and this is crucial for reimbursement negotiations and market access. They also act as the scientific liaison to ensure all communications and promotional materials comply with the regulatory and compliance standards. Internally, medical affairs is responsible for training for all the departments on the scientific aspects of the product launch and facilitating cross-functional collaboration. They ensure strategies across departments are scientifically aligned. Post-launch, the role of medical affairs extends to monitoring and reporting adverse events, pharmacovigilance, and supporting the product throughout its life cycle, identifying opportunities for label expansions, new indications, or improvements. To summarize, medical affairs is integral to the successful launch and sustained success of any pharmaceutical product. Their work ensures that the product is not only reaching the market but also achieves its full potential in improving healthcare and patient care, adapting to new data and market changes to ensure that the product is achieving success and relevance in healthcare landscape.